I truly believe that this iOttie Easy One Touch series of phone mounts is the absolute best phone mount you can get for your vehicle. And I fully stand by that statement, not just for this video, but in practice, because this iOttie Easy One Touch 6 is actually my fourth iOttie One Touch phone mount. And I'm not saying it's my fourth because I keep replacing them. In fact, the opposite. I got this one to put in the third vehicle that's in my family because I already have one in my 2020 Dodge Challenger. Okay, so here we are, we're in my 2020 Dodge Challenger 1320. And another one in my 2017 Ram 1500. Things I really like about this, so one reason I go with the windshield mount is, and then this one is going to be going into my 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, before we get into the review part of it, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, which I already did previously. So let's kick it back to that. All right, and that's everything in the box. We've got, this is for if you want to mount it on your dash to give the suction cup a flat surface to adhere to. And this obviously is the suction cup mount. And this will loosen the arm out to go like that. When you put your suction cup on, this is what locks it. As you can see, it just pulls that in, creates that vacuum to get that locked on. And then, hello. Okay, cool, asking for a review, nothing much there. Notice for some about Toyotas. Oh, what's this? This is kind of interesting. So because these Toyotas or Lexuses have had vehicle recalls with dashboards that crack, peel, and become sticky in heat, it says don't use this to put onto your dashboard if you have any of these Toyotas or Lexuses. Well, good thing I only drive Mopars. And then finally, quick start guide, which is really not much to quick start other than putting the pieces together. And then let's look at the main part, which is the iOttie. It's very simple. One thing I love about this is you just press this and that opens it up. And then as soon as you put a phone on here, it snaps together. So let's go ahead and assemble this really quick. Yeah, you don't want to take that off. You just want to loosen it. Now put on, now tighten it. Oh, and also this. So this is adjustable as well. So let's go in the car and get this installed. Okay, so if you want it on your dash, again, you could technically put it right on the surface there, but really you would want to put this up first, just because I feel like this is probably better adhesive for your dash. That way the suction cup will go right there, and then you can just mount it right there, or wherever you want, anywhere on your dash. I prefer it up on the windshield, so that is where I'm gonna put it. So to mount it, you just take this part off, and you can water rinse it if you want, and then just kind of choose where exactly you want it. I'm gonna lower this just so we can see this a little better. So I want it roughly about right here. So I'm gonna put it right center. You just stick it on, and then push that to lock it, and that's it. And then you just adjust it however you want it. So I want the arm about right there. So you just turn that to tighten it down. And then there is this right here, which you'll use to loosen, move that ball around to whatever position you want, and then just tighten it, and that will hold it in place. And then also, if you want it a little bit closer to you, this telescopes out. And then also don't forget to adjust this arm right here so it can go in or all the way out. So for a bigger phone, you'll definitely want that out. So I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's about pretty much one of the biggest phones you can get. So I definitely have to have that all the way out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So now you see how easy it is to mount this thing. I took it back down so we can kind of talk about why I believe this truly is the best phone mount out there. First is how easy it is to use. One-handed, again, iPhone 14 Pro Max. I just kind of put it there and boom, slap it in, and you're done. And it's held firmly in place. That thing's not going anywhere. Get the phone out, you just take your hands and squeeze those, and it clicks into place, and there you go. So again, really easy, one-handed. I mean, I love how easy this is. Just like that. I mean, really could not be any easier. And then how easy it is to adjust it. And I know some people like it more on by the A-pillar, and then they'll turn it like that. I know, or you can actually turn it passenger can use it, whatever. Then there is the strength of this thing. So one of the nice features, if you look at the suction cup, it's actually more of a very sticky gel material. So it's not just smooth silicone. It's not something that you need to add a little bit of water to or anything like that, anything crazy to get it to suction cup onto your surface. This thing does not come off. Like, once you put it on, it is going to stay on your windshield. It is not going to come off or anything. In fact, the one on my 2017 Ram stays up all the time. The one on my 2020 Challenger, it's always there. And I do want to bring up the one in my 2020 Challenger because that kind of really talks about how good this thing is. Now, I drag race that Challenger. If you know anything about drag racing, you launch pretty hard because you're going from a dead stop, full pedal to the metal, and off for a quarter mile. And my car's no slouch. There are faster, but it is definitely no slouch. It launches hard. In fact, let me show you this clip right here. So I know that was a little bit hard to see because it's at night, but as you could tell, I had such a hard launch and I suffered some wheel hop and it rattled the car violently. And even throughout all that, the iOttie phone mount stayed on the windshield. Obviously, the phone kind of flew out pretty hard, but the mount stayed in one place. Now, I do wonder if this new version was on the car at that time, if the phone still would have fallen out, because the one in that one is an iOttie 5, this is the iOttie 6, and with each generation, I feel like they keep making little improvements. Like they've enlarged this pad that kind of snaps the phone in. But another thing I noticed on this new 6 version is on the inside of the arms, there's like a soft little, like a silicone rubbery type of pad. And that's actually on these legs too. So it's on both of these legs and there. So that when you do put your phone in, like, that's actually, like, I can get it out, but that takes a lot more force. So I'm pretty sure had this iOttie 6 been in my car during that launch, my phone actually would not have gone anywhere. And they last. Like I said, the one in my Challenger, this is what it looks like as of today. And it has been in this car for over 5 years now. That's how long I've had that one. Now, if you ask what happened to my first original one, well, the first one I ever got was an iOttie 4. That one I actually bought way back in 2018. That was 8 years ago. Now, that iOttie 4, though, I kept that in my 2017 Ram. Being a big truck, it can't stay in a garage, so it stays outside all day, every day. And I am in North Texas, where we get some brutal summers. So this silicone suction cup is basically just indirect sunlight in 100+ degree weather. So this thing just got absolutely baked. And at the 5-year mark, it about had enough of baking in the sun and the summers, and the suction cup got yellow and kind of basically melted. But I'm not faulting it for it. It literally lasted 5 years in some brutal sun. Whereas look at my Challenger, 5 years garage kept, doesn't sit outside like that, and it's still holding strong. So yeah, I truly cannot recommend these anymore. Anytime I see anyone post anywhere in a forum, online, anywhere, asking about what the best phone mount is, I straight up tell them this every time. And no, I'm not sponsored by them. Now, I will have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below if you want to pick one up. And if you hit that link, I will get a little tiny percentage of that in commission, but that's it. I actually bought this one myself with my own money. The other 3 I got before in 2018, 2021, and 2023 or 24. Every single one I've bought with my own money. I wasn't asked to buy it, wasn't asked to review it, nothing. First one, I did my research, liked it, bought it, loved it, and I just kept buying it, and I continue to keep loving these things. So hope this video helped. Hope it helped make your decision a little bit easier in what phone mount to get. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you at the drag strip, or out on the road, or in an RV park, or who knows where, just anywhere.